Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. The chapter is rational numbers. In the last class, we have seen the standard form. How to change the rational numbers to standard form. And how to simplify the rational numbers using the 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Now we'll see what is the definition for rational numbers. The collection of all numbers that can be written in the form of a by b, where a and b are the integers and b is not equal to 0, which is denoted by Q. Then A is the numerator and B is the denominator. Example 1 by 3 comma minus 11 by 25. Okay. Write the decimal numbers as rational numbers. Here they are given 3 decimal numbers. You have to change the decimal numbers to rational numbers. 3.0. Here no value, yes, no value after decimal, it comes as 0. Okay. So we can write this as 3 by 1. You can write this as 3 by 1. This is the rational form of 3.0 and minus 5.8. First you have to change this 5.8 to, yes, whole number. For that, by 1, you have to multiply these two by, here 1 digit per decimal number, so you have to multiply this by 10 and 10. Then minus 58 by 10. You divide these two by 2. So these two numbers are even numbers. So 2 times 4, then remaining 1 9 times, minus 29 by 5. So minus 5, 4 by 5. You can write like this, 5 5 are 25, the remaining 4. So we are written in the mixed form. Okay. Then 1.15. Here 2 digits. You have to multiply by 100 to make a whole number. Then you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 100. And it will come as 115 by 100. Then divide both by 5. Both are divisible by 5. So you are dividing these both by 5. Here 2 times 10, remainder 115, 3 times. Okay, 23. Then here 2 times 10, 0, 20. Then 20, it is in the form of improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So we are divided, you can write in mixed fraction. 1 times remaining 3 by 20. Then third one, find the standard form of, in the last class we have seen, no? 27 by minus 18. In the denominator, yes, must be always negative. Denominator must be always negative. So you have to bring this negative sign to the numerator. 27 minus 27 by 18. So minus 27 by 18, divide both by 9. Both the numbers are in 9 tables. So you are dividing by 9. The answer is minus 3 by 2. Then solution. Next sum. Minus 8 by minus 5. Minus and minus becomes plus. Then it is 8 by 5. Minus 12 by 21. Third sum. Then in 12 and 21 comes in 3 table. So you are dividing 3 table. Minus 4 by 7. Okay. Let's move to the example sum. That is example 1.5. Find 6 rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 5 by minus 1. Here in this, the denominator is negative. So you have to bring this negative sign to the numerator. The LCM of 9 and 11 is 99. So you make the denominator same. Yes, denominators is different. Denominator same. That is into 9 into 9. Here into 11 into 11. So minus 6, 7 9s are minus 63 by 99. Then 11 minus 55 by 99. Then it is minus 63 by 99. Between these two you have to find 6 rational numbers. Minus 55 by 99. Between this 62 minus 62 by 99 minus 61 by 99 minus 60 by 99 minus 59 by 99 minus 58 by 99 minus 57 by 99. We can write more than this means minus 56 by 99. We need only 6 rational numbers because we wrote only 6. Okay. Now the formula of method to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers, given rational numbers. Okay. With the formula is the average of A and B is 1 by 2 into A plus B. The average of A and B, the given two rational numbers, we are taking that as A and B. Okay. The average of A and B is 1 by 2 into A plus B. Then example, find two rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 5 by minus 9 using average method. Okay. Here they are asked to find two rational numbers. So we are going to take this as A and this as B. Then 1 by 2 into 7 minus 7 by 11 plus minus 5 by, you are bringing here the denominator is negative. So you are bringing that negative sign to the numerator. Minus 5 by 9. Here the LCM is 99. So you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 9. Here 11. So minus 63 plus minus 55. Minus 63 plus minus 55 is equal to 118. So you can cancel 118 and by 2. So it is 59. So C1 is minus 59 by 99. Then minus 7 by 11 is less than minus 59 by 99 is less than minus 5 by 9. You have to see the C2, isn't it? So yes, going to find between these two one number. So minus 59 by 99 and minus 5 by 9. C2 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 59 by 99 plus minus 5 by 9. So you multiply, you have to see LCM for this because the denominators are different. So you have to multiply by 11. Minus 59 plus minus 55 by 99. 1 by 2 into. Now add these two, that is minus 114. Now you can cancel these two. Then 2 table by 2 table because it is the even number. So 57. So C2 is minus 57 by 99. The two rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and minus 5 by 9 is minus 7 by 11 less than minus 59 by 99 less than minus 57 by 99 less than minus 5 by 9. Now we shall move to the exercise 1.1. List 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. So minus 2 and 0, we know that number line, isn't it? In that we have only one rational number, but that is minus 1. Now we need 5 rational numbers. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. Here if you multiply means the same 0 is coming. So last we have to separate 0. Between these two we have to write 5 rational numbers. Now it comes as 20 by 10, isn't it? Then we have to come between minus 20 by 10 and 0, you have to write 5 rational numbers. Any five rational numbers. You have many rational numbers, isn't it? That is minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. We can write many, minus 14 by 10, minus 7, but we need only 5. So we have written 5 rational numbers. Second was 0.25 and 0.35. Then we have to find rational numbers between these as 5 rational numbers, isn't it? So, okay, we have to write in whole number. So that way we have 2 digits. We are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 100, isn't it? Then here also we are multiplying. Then it will come as 25 by 100 and it will come as 35 by 100. And between these two we have to write 5 rational numbers. That is 26 by 100, 27 by 100, 28 by 100, 29 by 100 and 30 by 100. We can write like this also in decimal form also. Okay. Then seventh sum. Using average method, write 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. Okay. Average of, we know the formula, isn't it? What is the formula? Average of A and B is 1 by 2 into A plus B. The average of 14 by 5 and 16 by 3 is C1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 14 by 5 plus 16 by 3. Then the LCM, you have to take LCM because the denominators are different. And so we are multiplying by 3. Here multiplying by 5. 14 5s are 42. 16 5s are 80. We are adding these to 122 by 15. C2 is equal to 61 by 15. Okay. 14 by 5 is less than 61 by 15 is less than 16 by 3. The average of 14 by 5 and 61 by 15 is 1 by 2 into 19 by 5 plus 61 by 15. Here the denominators, you are going to find another one rational number between these two. Okay. Then here you have to make the denominator same. So if you multiply this 5 by 3 into 3, then it will come as 15. So you are multiplying the numerator also by 3. 3 by 3. So it will come as 14 3s are 42 plus 61 by 15. Okay. Then now if you add these two, 103 is coming. You have to multiply these two. We cannot cancel anything here. So C2 is 103 by 30. And another one, C3 you have to find. So we have found between these two 1 and between these two 1. We are going to find 61 by 15 and 16 by 3. So take this as A and this as B. So it will come as 61 by 15 plus 16 by 3. And LCM. Here if we multiply these by 5, it will come as 15. So we are multiplying 16 5s are 80. Then denominator, both denominators 15. Isn't it? Okay. 1 by 2 into 141 by 15. Here also we cannot cancel anything. So we are multiplying 141 by 30. The 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3 is 14 by 5 less than 103 by 30 less than 61 by 15 less than 141 by 30 less than 16 by 3. We have found 3 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, let us recall what we have studied till now. That is, write a rational number between these two numbers using average method. That will be seen. Using average method means, what is the formula to find the average method? Using that average method, we have to find rational numbers between. That is 1 by 2 into A plus B. Yes. Then you take this as A and this here, the denominator is minus 9. So, you bring the minus, that is negative sign to numerator. The average of minus 11 by 7 by 11 and minus 6 by 9. Here the denominators are different. So we have to make the denominators same. After that only we can add. So 11 9s are 99. 9 11s are 99. So minus 63 minus 66. Then 1 by 2 into minus 129. If you after adding these two, minus 1 into 29 will come by 99. So C1 is equal to minus 129 by 99 into 2, 198. So minus 7 by 11 is less than minus 129 by 198 less than minus 5 by 9. They asked to find only one rational number, that is a rational number. So we have found that. The next question is write 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Okay, that is minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 5. Take 3 by 4 as sorry. Here they asked 5 rational numbers. They didn't ask you to do by average method, isn't it? So we can do by LCM method itself. We can make the denominator same, 4 and 5. So 20 is the LCM. So you multiply minus 3 by 4 into 5, isn't it? That is minus 15 by 20. Into 4, the denominator will become 20. Minus 8 by 20. Okay, now we will write the 5 rational numbers between minus 15 by 20 and minus 8 by 20. So that is minus 14 by 20, minus 13 by 20, minus 12 by 20, minus 11 by 20, minus 10 by 20. Okay, you have to write these all the problems in your classwork note, and you have to write only the assignment and submit it to me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.